Welcome. This episode we will be building part 6-02, the Valve Spindle for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to build part 6-02, the Valve Spindle for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, let's go front plane, sketch, circle. That's going to be a diameter of 8. Going to be extrude, mid plane, and that's going to be 203. Okay, that's going to be stainless steel as well, like we did last time. There we go. Look at that, one there for us. Okay, so let's go in there. So now we want to go hole wizard thread. It's going to be M8, not 18, we want 8. Scroll down. Well, M8 by 125. It's going to be circle there. It's going to be there. We're going to do blind, I believe it's going to be, yep. 32. Done. Look at that. Beautiful. That's what we want. Woohoo! That looks quite good. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Man, did that again. Okay, so we're going to do bring this line up above that one that gets rid of the thread. We're going to go plane. There, it's going to be 10 mil away. That's there. That's 10 mil, plane's away from 10 mils there. So then we bring this back down. That way the plane's there. Now edit this. We want that face clear. It's going to be this face. But because it's 10 mil, we need to change that 42. There we go. So, okay, thank you. So 10 mil to there, then 32 to there. And that way we have the thread fully. Let me just hide you. There. There you go, that's better. Okay. Let's do the same as this one. We want plane, that one. 10 mil. It could be any dimension there, but it's 10 mil and that works good with me. So let's do another, no, not fillet, sorry. Hole wizard thread. It's going to be this circle. It's going to be that plane. And it's going to be not 42, it's going to be 8, but it's going to be 18. And done. And hide. There we go. That's part 6-02, the Valve Spindle done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Very short and sweet. I think the next one's going to be sweet as well. Short and sweet. Going to be something similar to this one. Slight difference though. Anyway, thank you for your support. I do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. Click, comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. It does help me out. It helps me bring out more content, so I actually look at expanding, doing some more series on this soon. But right now, I just want to concentrate getting this one fully back on track. So thanks again for having support. Thank you for getting me back into this again, because I had been away for a while. If you only just joined me, there was a gap between there, so I do appreciate that. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.